What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. My name is Alex, and today we're going to be going over a really great option strategy for AMC stock. For AMC stock, if we check out the price action, it's remaining relatively flat. So if we check out the 1 week, it's pretty flat, still staying above that $50 price point that we all know and love. And if we check out the 1 month chart, you can see it's remaining nice and flat. So it shows that a lot of retail investors are holding the stock and not much is happening with the stock as we're in this nice consolidation phase with AMC. So this is a great opportunity for some options strategies. One of them is going to be a multi-leg options strategy called the Iron Condor. And what the Iron Condor is, it's basically selling a credit spread, a put credit spread, as well as a call credit spread. And you want AMC to remain flat in order to make profit. So in a market like this, where AMC is basically not moving that much, it's a great strategy to do. So what you want to do is go onto the options chain, take a look at the options, and we can do this for the July 9th expiration date. Something not anything crazy. The smaller the expiration date, shorter expiration date, the less credit you're going to be receiving, but also the more it's going to be in your favor when you're selling options. Because remember, this is going to cause time decay to be on our side. We want the premiums to bleed out in order to make profit. So let's check out the July 9th expiration date. And we are going to be setting up our Iron Condor. And this is a really great strategy. It's going to do pretty much 4 times your money if you can utilize this really carefully. So let's check out what we're going to be doing. So let's head over to the July 9th expiration date. And we're going to be selling the $55 strike and then buying the $56 strike for the call side. So let's set that up real quick. We're going to be buying the 56, and make sure you have level 3 options enabled on Robinhood. If you're using Robinhood or any other brokerage, you need level 3 options in order to do multi-leg options strategy, such as this being the Iron Condor, which is a 4-leg strategy. So we're going to be buying the $56 call, and we're going to be selling the $55 call here. And we can see after we set that up, it's going to pretty much make us have a call credit spread, which basically means that we need AMC to stay below $55 by expiration to make our credit, which is estimated to be around $38 right there. And then next, we're going to be setting up our put credit spread side. So we're going to be selling the 52 strike and then buying the $51 strike. So let's set that up right now. The 52 strike we're going to be selling, and then we go into buy, and then head over to the $51 strike right here. And we can see on our right side, we're going to be setting up an Iron Condor. We're going to be receiving a credit of $83. And the great part about the strategy is it doesn't require that much collateral in order to set up. But you want AMC to stay within this consolidation phase. You want AMC stock to be flat in order to make the most profit. Now, I highly recommend that you close out this Iron Condor before expiration, just in case anything funny happens, especially with AMC possibly squeezing or anything. So if the premium bleeds out before expiration, don't be afraid to take profits if you see it. So as we can see here, we could sell maybe, for this example, we're going to be doing 10 contracts. As we can see here, we're going to be receiving a credit of $830. And then if we review order, we need to put down collateral of $1,000. So it's only going to cost you $170, risking $170 to make $830, because we're putting down $1,000 of collateral and we're receiving instantly $830 of credit. So you only really need $170 in order to open up this option strategy. Now this is an advanced option strategy. It's not for anyone. It's not really recommended for beginners, but for those who have been trading options, this is a pretty viable strategy to do, especially on AMC with how flat in the market it has been. So you're only risking $170, potential to make $830. That's basically quadrupling your money in just a week, assuming you win on the trade. But of course, it's always recommended to close out contracts before expiration date, just in case anything crazy happens with the stock price. You don't want to have AMC ending up shooting up one of these days and then you just lose all your profits. So you want to close it out if you see profit. And AMC, it definitely has a lot of time decay on these contracts, so selling options such as this is definitely a really good strategy to do, and it can make you very profitable if AMC happens to work in your favor. Now, of course, you can always adjust these strike prices a little bit, but this one seems pretty good. It's remaining between $52 and $55. So as long as AMC stays between that price range, you will make your full profit by expiration. Now, please be careful with this if you are new to options. I only recommend this strategy if you have been trading options for a while and understand how they work. We will be going over how options work exactly in some other beginner tutorials later on, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel and don't miss those videos, because they're going to be very good and educational, especially if you're just starting out with options, because options are definitely a powerful way to play stocks. It definitely leverages your returns, and it can even be safer than outright buying shares of a stock if you play it right with cash secured puts as well as covered calls. So that is some really good strategies there. Tons of stuff you could do with options. Really cool and really interesting, because it's just very powerful tool in order to make a lot of money in the market. And that is actually how I mostly grow my account on Robinhood. I sell a lot of options and play long-term call options. So that is how I'm able to make my money in the stock market on this account. But that's about it for this video. If it helped you in any way, please leave a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.